If you need healing, get your back to feeling. When you're 9 to 5 makes you wanna die, fire up the good time and let it burn till dawn. Wake up on the lawn, kill the hangover with redneck chemistry. We call it backwoods therapy. Breaking up old control, and a hot chick trying to pick free and burn on my hand-me-down banjo. Some dude shooting blue flame, forgot his own name. He ain't from round here. He's kicking up a storm, stomping in the corner, far too gone to care. If you need healing, we'll get you back to feeling. When you're 9 to 5 makes you wanna die, fire up the good time and let it burn till dawn. Wake up on the lawn, kill a hangover with redneck chemistry. We call it backwoods therapy. Sometimes work sucks, love sucks, and life sucks. We'll get you on the guest list if it all gets too much. Call us a redneck therapist. If work sucks, love sucks, if life sucks, we'll get you on the guest list if it all gets too much. If you need healing, we'll get you back to feeling. When you're 9 to 5 makes you wanna die, fire up the good time, let it burn till dawn. Wake up on the lawn, kill the hangover with redneck chemistry. We call it backwoods therapy. Yeah, backwoods therapy.
Let's learn Backwoods Therapy. It's choreographed by Feresse and Donald Spellman. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 8, both after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Backwoods Therapy. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing our left behind our right. Step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step. Left back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts, stomping to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to skate with our right and the left. So we're going to take the ball of our right foot. We're going to push it in towards the left and then out to the right, taking weight onto our right foot. You're going to do the same thing with the left. So you're going to take your ball of your left foot, push it into the right, and then push it out to the left, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right shuffle forward, step our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're going to step forward with your left, you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, keeping your weight on your left foot and slightly popping that right knee up. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. We're going to end that section by doing a body roll forward. So we're going to step onto our right foot, starting with our shoulders, rolling our body forward, then coming back and sitting back down onto your left foot, slightly popping that right knee up. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You would have just done your coaster step. You're doing your 2 skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we are going to do a coaster step with our right foot. So we're going to step our right foot back, left foot together, and as you step forward with your right, I want you to angle your body slightly to the left. So you're stepping forward towards 6 o'clock, but you're going to twist that upper body slightly to the left So it's going to help you go into the next section. From here, you're going to slightly sweep your left foot from front to back as you cross your left behind your right. We're going to make that quarter turn to face 3 o'clock, turning over your left shoulder. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. Now we're going to do toe switches. We're going to point our right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. You're going to quickly step your left next to your right, and now we're going to do heel switches, placing our right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward, and then you're going to quickly step your left next to your right. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on our left foot. We just did our body roll to face 6 o'clock. You're going to do that coaster with your quarter weave. So we're doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 walks forward, stepping right, left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to stomp out with our right and out with our left, out right, out left. And then we're going to do hip bumps, bumping our hip to the right, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then bumping your hip to the left, putting your weight onto your left foot, ready to start the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped our left next to our right facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your 2 walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting by stomping your right foot to the right side. So it's stomp, sailor, step, step, cross, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, shuffle, forward, step, half body roll, sit, right, coaster, prep, weave, behind, side, cross, you're facing 3, point, step, heel step, walk, walk, step, half pivot, out, out, bump, right, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stomping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. So you're going to go around, you're going to dance 3 walls of the dance, and our third wall is going to be our short wall. So you'll dance the front wall, 32 counts, that's wall 1. You'll dance the 9 o'clock wall, 32 counts, that's wall 2. When we get to the back wall, you're going to dance 16 counts of the wall 3 and restart facing 12 o'clock to start wall 4. So let's dance those 16 counts, starting with your weight on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side. It's stomp, sailor, step, step, cross, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, shuffle, forward, step, half turn, body roll, sit. Right here, you're going to restart the dance, stomp, sailor, step. This becomes wall 4. You're then going to dance wall 4 to the front, wall 5 to the side, wall 6 to the back, wall 7 to the side, and then we'll dance wall 8, and that's going to have you restart facing the back wall at the same part of the dance. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through both restarts and do the wall that comes after so that you know how it all transitions into the next wall. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side. So you're going stomp, sailor, step, step, cross, back, coaster, step, skate, skate, shuffle, forward, step, half turn, body roll, sit, coaster, prep, quarter weave, behind, side, cross, point, step, heel step, walk, walk, step, half pivot, out, out, bump, hip, hip, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts. Stomp, sailor step, step, cross, back, coaster step, skate, skate, shuffle, step, half turn, body roll, sit, restart, stomp, sailor step, step, cross, back, coaster step, skate, skate, shuffle, forward, step, half sit, body roll. Now your coaster with your prep, weave, quarter turn, and your points, point step, heel step, walk, walk, step, half pivot, out, out, hip, hip wall 5, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, sailor step, step, cross, back, coaster step, skate, skate, shuffle, step, half sit, body roll, sit, coaster, prep, quarter weave, point step, heel step, walk, walk, step, half pivot, out, out, hips, stomp, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 count, stomp, sailor step, step, cross, back, coaster step, skate, skate, shuffle, step, half sit, body roll, restart, side, sailor step, step, cross, back, coaster step, skate, skate, shuffle, step, half sit, body roll, and your coaster prep quarter weave, point and heel and walk, walk, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp, hip, hip. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn backwoods therapy. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.